What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode, and today we have a lot of important things to go over and discuss. It is the beginning of the week, Monday, which means we have a lot ahead of us, and that means we have a lot to go over and discuss in today's video. Now, before I dive into the technical analysis, I just want to let you guys know that I am doing another Amazon gift card as well as BitFi merchandise giveaway, and all you have to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below, and that's it. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel because when I do the drawing and I pick a winner on Sunday, if you're not subscribed, which I'll check, then I'm not going to be sending it to you and I will pick somebody else. So that is literally all you have to do. Comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be picking a winner on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. I think that's exciting. It's going to be a $20 Amazon gift card giveaway. So, it's free money. Go subscribe down below, and let's get back into today's episode. Now, we are going to be looking at the continued breakout, the explosion of XRP outside of here, and whoever disagrees with that being a price break to the upside can go watch another channel, because this is for sure a breakout in my books here, and we are going to be seeing a much higher rally, I think, in the very near future, and I'll explain why in a minute. We're also going to be looking at Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin in today's episode. I know a lot of you guys want me to do and I will be doing 2 uploads a day, and I am still doing that, but later on's video is a little bit different. It's more about a sponsored a video here. So later on tomorrow, we'll be doing those 2 videos, and we'll separate the crypto to focus more on XRP, but I just wanted to give you guys that update. So we are going to be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500 today, and you can see Ethereum and Bitcoin. We've been tracking this. There was a nice, beautiful, easy buy-in opportunity just a couple of hours ago, if not into yesterday here, because we drew on the hourly. It was an extremely aggressive trade nonetheless, but it was this sideways movement here, and we discussed that there was a good opportunity to buy in and long this to the upside here, given the fact that, we had a quick get out hourly chart forming. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. Also, guys, super quick, before we dive into the technical analysis here, for those that aren't familiar with BitFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel, just overall exchange, they have so much to offer here. BitFi is giving away $550 completely free in bonus money by literally signing up with the link down in the description below. So make sure to go take advantage of it, and you can go claim all these different rewards. All the information, like I said, is in that link. So make sure to go check that out ASAP. Make sure to enter the giveaway by commenting your favorite cryptocurrency down below. But anywho, diving into the technical analysis, quick refresh on everything. Things have been going quite well, if you ask me. I mean, you can see here quite well across the board here. Not only have we pretty much seen just 2 to 3 days ago, the official confirmation confirmed breakout on XRP, swinging us outside of the bull flag to the upside here, which means there's huge potential to head higher. We've also been tracking on things like Bitcoin here, major symmetrical triangle forming on the hourly chart, which is a quick get in, get out for my aggressive traders that like to make some quick profitable trades. That's an opportunity. We also went in depth on this yesterday here, talking about opportunities to buy in and long. But anywho, diving into the technical analysis, you can see here cryptos are exploding. I mean, overall, you can see we're up 3.5% for the week, almost at $2.5 trillion, which is absurd. Problem is 86 on the Fear and Greed Index. That's okay. It's just an indicator that we are getting near an overbought level here. You can see, I mean, it's been a very long time in the making where we've had double digits across the board. I am overly excited, though. Overly excited to see things like Bitcoin up 26% for the week. Solana, 26%, 28% for the week. XRP, 22% for the week. Cardano, 32%. Dogecoin, 87%. Shiba, 175%. Polkadot, 30%. Toncoin, 30%. Bitcoin Cash, 70%. I mean, it is absurd. Shiba, 175%. Literally anything in the top 12 or 15 cryptocurrencies is an incredible portfolio to capitalize on here. So, I mean, I'm excited to go over everything with you guys today. However, you are noticing we are starting to consolidate. Why have we been consolidating? Well, it was the weekend, silly head. That's why. Typically on the weekend when the stock market is closed, we're starting to see a direct correlation. There's a lot of institutional money invested And there's a lot of stock market money invested into there. Now that we have these ETFs that are out and these portfolios that you can buy with real hard US dollar or whatever country you're in's crypto dollar, you can now have, it has a direct influence when the stock market's closed. We typically don't see that money or volume or people getting involved in the Bitcoin markets as well. So we typically see weekends kind of as a cool off period, which is nice because it wasn't always like that. However, moving forward into, XRP here, we are tracking a breakout for sure. I mean, it is quite exciting if you ask me. You can see I've drawn right here 5 bull flag breakouts, 4 confirmed here, 5 is the next one that we're starting to see. And you can see this uptrend up. Here's the bull flag. Here's the flag pull down, and then the break to the upside here. We are kind of getting stuck on this moving average on the weekly resistance right here, but there's more to it. I do think we're going to continue upwards, though, even though a lot of the cryptos are screaming like correction. When we're in a bull market, we can just continue to go even higher than we currently are in this kind of relative strength indicator here. So I think we're going to be heading up even higher very soon. It's just a matter of when we break through that major resistance. So for a lot of people that have been investing, we had multiple opportunities to take advantage of the XRP bull flag. You can see, and for those that are wondering, bull flag crypto, you can see what a bull flag actually looks like here. It's typically a flag pull right here. There's a flag to the downside and then the breakout to the upside. And you can see on XRP, here's the flag pull up, the flag to the downside, and the flag, the breakout to the upside after that. And with this, you can see how long this has taken, but also the size of the breakout here. You can see how big this is. And if we scale this onto the breach that we just had, this can easily put us up to almost 80 cents. So, and I usually go higher than that, but it's an easy it's an easy way to capitalize off the run. Now from breakout, we're actually up 21%, almost 21%. So for those saying this isn't a breakout, this isn't anything, I mean, I don't know what you're looking for, to be honest with you. I mean, a 20% trade is incredible. Most people invest in the stock market, which yields an average of 10%. So to have a 20% trade in just a couple of days is unheard of. It's incredible. I mean, it's not unheard of for crypto, but it is incredible. At the end of the day, crypto is very risky, so it depends on you. I wouldn't want to put my entire portfolio, my livelihood in crypto and end up losing it off major swings. You need a stable thing. I mean, the stock market is still volatile nonetheless, but it is obvious we don't have massive swings where we're up 180% one day, but we're down, 90% the next, because that's nuts. You don't want your whole life savings fluctuating like that quickly. You want to put a little bit in and that's it. Now, for those wondering, well, did you miss out on an opportunity, to buy in? Is there still room or a chance to buy in? Yes, there is actually. Now, there was that opportunity right here. This was a couple of days ago here. We said once we confirm a breach above here, this was an aggressive buy-in. But we said, okay, now that we've confirmed it, there's a price ceiling. If we could break through that, we'll head up higher. That was confirmed on March 2nd here, or March 1st, actually, when we confirmed closure at about 7 or 8 o'clock at 59 cents. When that happened, that was a buy-in opportunity. We did have a beautiful little pump, a drop here, which probably stopped a lot of people out of the market here, hit a lot of your stop losses. But even then, we were able to get back in, and we're still heading higher. Now, for those that maybe got stopped out and are waiting for that next opportunity to buy in, that might be right around the corner, and it really depends on how we confirm closure tonight. We close in 9 hours and 48 minutes. If we close XRP above the next price ceiling right here at 64 cents, I can very quickly see the next couple of days into this week heading us up to our price target of 80 cents. Maybe we'll hit 70, then we'll go up to 80 here, but we're moving up nonetheless. We're going to see some consolidation, but we are going to be moving up for sure. It's going to take a couple of days, maybe even a week or two, but we will be heading up. And it all depends on how we confirm closure today or this week. We need to confirm closure above the 65. Yeah, it's about 65-cent price ceiling. We're currently above it now. We just need to keep that position or higher by the end of tonight, and then we'll know whether to be buying in and longing this. But when we do, and when that opportunity will show itself, which will be very soon, don't get me wrong, when it does, we'll buy in on BidFi, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi will let you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Pretty much everything you'd want is on BidFi on this exchange. And beyond that, what's super cool, beyond being able to take profits, move that trailing stop loss higher than where you bought in from to lock in guaranteed gains. They even have welcome reward bonuses and a demo trading account. So you can earn more than the $550 sign-up bonus here. You can now earn over $2K by completing all these new user, advanced, and exclusive tasks. So make sure to check this out in the description down below. And for my beginner friends that are trying to learn the exchange or are a little worried about losing real crypto, not only can you use the bonus money that you would earn by signing up with the link down in the description, but you could then even earn, or you can then practice your skills risk-free completely without losing any real money, because you're going to use 50K Monopoly money to test your skills, to get familiar with the platform. And then when you're ready, you can obviously switch on over to the live trading account and use real cryptocurrency to practice here. So I'm excited overall for the markets here. We're going to be seeing some nice movements in the very near future, specifically on XRP. I'm ready. My account is funded. I'm primed. I'm ready to leverage trade XRP the second we get that confirmation closure above here. We had also easy trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I'll talk to you about in a minute here. But you can see Salona is consolidating out quite aggressively here. We're looking for some new patterns. There might be one forming on the 4-hour. I'm going to jump to like the 2-hour to give us maybe a bit of a clearer look, but it's too early to tell, that's for sure. There's definitely an uptrend, though. I'm starting to notice an uptrend. Might not be as accurate as I'd like it to be, but there is one nonetheless. There might be something like this forming here. Maybe a downtrend, not entirely sure. It's too early to tell, but there's a chance for those of my subscribers that are Salona holders, there's a chance that we could be forming another breakout. The symmetrical triangle could break us to the upside like we've seen Ethereum do, as well as Bitcoin. So I'm excited to see the results of that. But again, 2-hour trades, extremely aggressive. Keep that in the back of your head. We also only have 2 confirmations on top resistance, which means we could very easily head up higher, like here. Not what I wanted to do. Come on, guys. What are we doing here? We could easily head up higher here and start to correct back down, and then we'd have to adjust the top resistance line. So keep that in your back of your mind, but just understand we have now discovered another smaller kind of technical indicator forming here. That same thing could also be said about Ethereum. However, this was a buying opportunity and you would have profited. And the same thing goes with Bitcoin. Very simple one as well. Clear price ceiling, clear uptrend here, symmetrical triangle forming. That actual breakout was more so like right here. It was a much smaller one than what we have actually drawn on. It could be said like that this was the downtrend actually. This is more so what we were looking at here. This is that symmetrical triangle that led to a bullish breakout. It's actually quite exciting. Regardless, we had a more conservative one drawn on before, but you can see the price ceiling and the price floor filling in the gap. We are pretty much getting squeezed, and then we get to this point where a decision is going to have to be made. That decision broke us bullish here, which we were able to long on BidFi as well. Get in, get out very quickly, although this lasted a couple of days. From the 3rd to the 4th here, it lasted pretty much overnight with this breakout, which is quite exciting here. But this was, again, an easy way to profit off of small trades here. So the fact that Bitcoin did this shows you there's tons of opportunity to capitalize in. Obviously, on the hourly, anything between the 4-hour and hourly chart is extremely aggressive. So if you want to make an aggressive trade, get in and get out, that's an opportunity. Otherwise, wait patiently for this XRP confirmation, and then we can buy in long on a conservative scale. Otherwise, might not have talked about this yesterday, but on S&P 500 here, we are forming some sort of ascending fractal. Good chance because we're overbought now, we're going to pull back down a little bit and then continue higher. But anywho, with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, make sure to enter the giveaway, comment your favorite crypto down below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.